Hello guys. As you guys know that I am in Paris already because I must have already uploaded few vlogs, and you know it from my Instagram story. You also know it from my Instagram that I have bought this lady. She's here. This is of course an unboxing video of my new Louis Vuitton. I'll show you which bag actually I bought. So I just want to give you a little background. I was not coming to Paris so very soon. It just happened mystically. I manifested this trip, बट पेरिस में आके मैं लग्जरी बैग खरीदूँगी, वो भी लुई विटॉन का। वो तो मैंने कभी भी नहीं सोचा था. सो दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट लग्जरी शॉपिंग इन पेरिस दैट आई डिड. I have done few more that I'll show you later, but this is the first Louis Vuitton bag that I've bought from Paris, and I wanted to buy this bag since a long time. This luxury bag is very important to me, and I'm super proud about it. This is not just a show off or materialistic things for me. I take a lot of pride in buying a bag like this. I never thought previously that I would buy luxury bags and stuff, but now your dream keeps changing and you have bigger dreams, and this is also an investment for me because I am an influencer, and I'm a fashion influencer, luxury influencer, so this adds to my work and my profile as well. So if you're something who's not interested in luxury shopping, you can skip this video, because I don't want to give you any impression of you need to buy this or something. If you really want something like this, you should buy it, but if you don't want it, don't buy it. But at this point in my life, I love luxury. I love luxury bags, and it adds to my profile, my work, my business, my overall portfolio. And I've started loving luxury bags so much, and now my dreams have also changed. It's grown bigger and bigger, and now I feel that I should have luxury bag collection. I already started buying it, and now I bought this baby from Paris. That's all. I don't want to give you a long speech on this. This is going to be an unboxing video totally, so I'm not going to give you a lot of details. So I bought this bag from Champs-Élysées in Paris, the main boutique of Louis Vuitton, the biggest boutique ever. I think I've never seen such a big boutique ever before of Louis Vuitton. So I bought it from there. I met my personal shopper. I had an amazing shopping experience. His name is Antonio. He really helped me out. He was so hospitable. So finally I bought this bag, but this, as you can see, this cover is totally different. You haven't seen something like this because this is not a traditional Louis Vuitton shopping bag. It is a special edition Louis Vuitton shopping bag. They don't give the shopping bag to everyone, they just give it to special clients. So when I told him that I have come to Paris for the first time, and first time to Louis Vuitton Paris, so he made everything special for me. So he gave me this special shopping bag, and inside the special shopping bag there's a special packaging also. The ribbons and everything is totally different than the normal traditional shopping bag of Louis Vuitton. I'm sure you have seen that statue of Louis Vuitton lady painting on the Louis Vuitton museum in Paris. So it is on that theme. This entire shopping bag is made on that theme. Okay, so I don't want to do any delay. Let's open the bag and show you what exactly I have bought. So this is the bag. Even I am looking at it for the first time, how it's packed. Let me just look at it from far once because I cannot see it right now. This packaging is absolutely stunning itself. I mean, I don't even feel like opening this one, but I have to open. So this is the latest collaboration of Louis Vuitton with Yayoi Kusama, and that painting is about her only. She's standing there and painting on the Louis Vuitton museum. The shopping bag that they have given me, the special shopping bag, is on that this collaboration theme only. So I just quickly wanted to tell you that. I think you can already guess which bag I bought, but I'll just show you. So it comes in this dust bag of Louis Vuitton. Let's open this. There she is. So I really wanted to have this bag since a long time, because this is like a very classic, their classic monogram bag. On the go, I got the size, the large size, and it looks like this from this side. I love the fact that it looks different from different side. I mean, different colors. Inside it is red, of course, and they have two straps. This one for handling this, like this, and this for the shoulder, and this one is to clip on. It's absolutely light. The black one is quite heavy because I have the black one, but this one is absolutely light. And there's some two more pockets inside, and this zip compartment is here for important thing. I wanted to buy this bag because I travel a lot, as you guys know, and I wanted different luxury bag options whenever I travel. So this one I have now, and I'm absolutely amazed and happy and feel super proud to possess this Louis Vuitton. So when you buy anything from Europe, anywhere in Europe, you get VAT refund. So this is my VAT refund form. Probably I'll make another video on that, how to go about it. But you get like around 12 to 13% VAT refund at the airport when you check out from Paris. And this is my bill. So I bought this bag for 2,550 euro. I think in India it's 2,50,000, and I don't know how much you can convert and see how much it is. This is the price in Paris, 2,550 euro, plus I will get VAT refund. So this is pretty much about the unboxing of my new Louis Vuitton On The Go. So if you have any question, anything you want to ask about shopping in Paris, you can let me know. I'm still here and I'm going to explore more. I'll see you guys next time. I'm going to come up with a lot of unboxing video. So subscribe to my channel and like and share. I'll see you later. Bye bye.